garden. Whoa! Don't stop.
And all these other issues, but there are parts of the party that have really been pushing very hard on these issues. I'm one of them. Gareth, what do you make of the answer?
Yeah, I think that Jeremy Corbyn's voices are...
Couldn't be asked. It's alright, it landed, it's fine, it's alive. Clipped a seagull.
The seagull literally just decided to commit Harry Carey in front of me.
It's okay.
But the US denies that, saying the drone was flying over international waters in the Strait of Hormuz. A film crew worker videos in Hertfordshire.
You pulled up so quick, I think you were racing.
Site in Leavesden yesterday, where a new film starring Anne Hathaway is being made.
Yeah,
The
but when
company
you
has
pull
been
up like
criticised
that,
for the
a lot of
diesel
people
engines
think
which have
you're
to be kept running to power fridges on board the
trying
existing
to race
vans.
them.
New design
I
is
wouldn't,
demanded.
he's going to do something stupid.
PC Markets report the FTSE 100 is
I'm sat at 30 miles an hour.
74.03 after closing down 39 yesterday. The pound buys $1.26 and €1.12. LBC
Go.
mixture of sunshine and showers for most today. The
Go.
risks of thunderstorms across
What's this
Scotland.
strange man doing? I want to go
Showers will
forward.
affect much of
I was only
North
trying to pull up and get ahead of
England
There are some strange folk around, yeah.
Summer sale. For minimum spend, terms and exclusions, and to book your free design appointment, see wix.co.uk. This is LBC from Global, leading. Petty fucking great work. They pick a word and they get it into a conversation.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Whoa! Got that on camera.
In the road, mate. Nothing.
parts of the Labour Party, it was actually the Conservative Party who were suffering a similar fate. There was a question about whether they would vote with
Mercedes
Jeremy
G-Wagon's
Corbyn,
in the bus lane.
It came
You don't
down
give a
to,
shit.
and whether they'd made it more likely.
That's where they were recruiting from. Because those are a lot of times. You don't have a lot of times to play video games when you're in high school.
Oh,
you don't have a
like
job
that,
when
didn't
you're
you?
20. It's kind of probably hard to pick up pro gaming when you're like
And then got
38,
chopped up by the bus.
to get into it. If you have a job, it's kind of hard to focus on it. It's a young man's probably sport, a young man's world, and so. But unfortunately, they feel like they can get taken advantage of. So.
Shitting Peugeot. I didn't realise that was there.
Thank you too.
Clubs of young kids, so like ballet for girls or football for boys. But actually,
oh yeah, just ride through the road.
Parents should have more courage to send their kids to different types of sports to try.
Idiot.
I ask you, will you stop for the red light? No, he won't. That's it, I'll chop this Mini up. What an absolute gimp. What the f***? You idiot.
Do you want a racing tip, Jurgen? Oh, lucky me. I've decided to back
cool.
a horse called Photo Finish. It's been
Old
called
Cavalier.
first, and sometimes second.
In the cave.
A more prominent role. Interestingly, Hope Not Hate campaign group has done some
Yeah, it looks like a bus lane to me, mate.
Company YouGov, which puts.
What are you doing, mate?